Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this yummy looking buns. It is crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Okay, so in this bowl we have our dry ingredients except sugar. Yeah, because I don't sieve my sugar for my cakes and pastries. Yeah, so in this bowl we have flour, baking powder, salt and nutmeg. Yes, I'm going to be leaving the full list of ingredients, the complete recipe, in the comment section. I'll pin it there, or it's going to be in the description box, so just do well to check, yeah, and follow through. Okay, so I'm going to be sifting this, or I've sifted this. Well, see, sometimes English can be hard, but I'm sure you understand. As you're watching, you shall understand what's going on here, sha. Yeah, so so I sieved, oh my god, so I sieve this in another bowl. Pardon my English. Yeah, so after sieving this, yeah, just add in my sugar, give that a quick mix, and then add in the butter and just rub that in. Yeah, so you're going to be rubbing this in until you get a bread like texture. Yeah, until it feels like breadcrumbs. Yeah, that's what you're going to be doing. So it's time to add the wet ingredients: egg and milk. Well, it depends on the quantity you're making. It might require eggs. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix this. At some point I had to use my hand. I'm more comfortable using my hand to mix. Yeah, so just mix that gently, not vigorously like puff puff. Yeah, just mix this just to combine everything together, and then you just cover this and let it sit for about 2 minutes. So it's time to fry, and this is what our dough is looking like. So you just scoop that in and put it in the hot oil. Make sure to put your hand in water so that it doesn't stick so much to your hand. Yeah, so you can just scoop it anyhow. It must not be perfectly round like puff puff, you get it. Yeah, so just scoop it and put that in and let it fry on both sides. Please make sure to use medium to low heat, because you don't want your buns to fry outside and doesn't fry well inside, I mean. Yeah, so put it on medium to low heat. English. So yeah, our buns is ready and it looks all yummy. Let me know in the comment section if you try out this recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.